Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix authentication failed in ElevenLabs.io. So if you see authentication failed in ElevenLabs, it means ElevenLabs couldn't verify your identity. This usually happens when login credentials, wrong API keys, or session problems. So at first you will need to check the login credentials, okay? So you will need, of course, to make sure that you are using the correct login method right here. If you sign in with Google, you will need to go with a Google login or sign in with Google option and just click it. You can also go with Apple if you created the account with the Apple ID, and email and password for those who prefer the email and password normally. So just use the email and password you registered with. And the common mistake is using the email login for the Google created account, and that will fail. Also, you will need to go with reset password. And yeah, that's only if using the email login, and then just enter your email right here and go back to your email and check the inbox right there and spam folder and create a new password and log in again, and make sure no extra spaces or caps lock issues. If that doesn't help, you will need to go with the three dots on the top right of the browser and then just go with settings right here, and afterward you will need to go and click on privacy and security just like so, and go with delete browsing data on the privacy and security section, and then just go with last 7 days, go with delete data below. Now just close the browser fully again. From here, right click and then end task, and to reach the task manager you will need just to right click on the taskbar and then go with the task manager from here. And after that, just reopen the Google Chrome or your browser and try sign in again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.